Hello children, I'm your favorite Dolly teacher. Let's begin the class. What is your name?
My name is S. What is your name?
My name is Dolly.
How old are you?
I am 7. How old are you?
I am 9.
How are you?
I am great. How are you?
I am fine. Nice to meet you, Dolly. Bye.
Hello. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good, thank you. What is your name?
My name is Jenny. What is your name?
My name is John. How old are you?
I am 6. How old are you?
I am 4. Hello, what is your name?
My name is Christine. How old are you?
I am 16. How old are you?
I am 17. How are you? I am fine. How are you?
I am great, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Mike.
Nice name.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you children. See you at our next lesson. Bye.